That's the bracket or brackets to hold the air engine reservoir on one of my rubber band powered cars. And that's the car or the chassis. It's one that I've used for lots of different things. So that'll do the job. CDs for wheels, 3D printed hubs, and bicycle spokes for the axles. Assembled and pumped up. So we'll see if it goes. If we can get it to go in the right direction. It tends to go backwards, but it should go this way. Well, that worked, except that I can see we've broken the the front axle bracket. Yeah, well, this was one of my old rubber band toys. I could glue it back together. It's only 3D printed PLA. I might do that for now, just for simplicity, speed. Obviously, it hit the wall pretty hard. Or we could say, that'll do for today. And if we get a sunny day, we could take it out somewhere and have a go at somewhere where it can go a bit of a distance. See how far it can go. Yeah, we might do that. That shows it works. And we'll repair this. And we'll maybe have a run outdoors somewhere. And if you missed the previous video, this is what we're using. Picked this up in a charity shop 10 years ago. I checked the original video. There'll be links in the video description to the previous videos. Yeah, picked it up 10 years ago. It's very simple. It's a bit of bent plastic with 4 wheels on it. And then this air engine just had double-sided sticky tape to hold it on there. But it was leaking. So I sealed it with 2-part epoxy to stop it leaking, and that seems to work. So yeah, there we go. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.